Ladies and gentlemen,
All right, guys. So we've got 2 boxes. Oh, what teams do I have? The Seattle Mariners. I have no idea. Well, other than Julio Rodriguez, and I think he's in here. Yeah, he is. I have no idea who else is in on the Seattle Mariners in this product. None. So that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. Oh, and I just threw the box on the ground. Red or platinum, huh? I still haven't hit a 1 of 1. Phil hit 2. I tell you what, Tops loads his boxes, boy. Tops loads Phil's boxes. Yeah, Julio. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Colton Welker, Sky Blue. No parallel in there at all. Oscar Gonzalez for the Indians. Nothing pulled tonight, other than some sky blues, but we just started. Bryson Stott. Adaman for the Cubs. Cardenas. Joe Ryan. Well, first color, Christian Javier. First real color, I guess. First numbered color. Let's go. That's a good way to say it, huh? You like that? Numbered color. So fancy. I have not pulled a red. The best I've pulled of Dominguez is an orange. I've pulled an orange, 2 blue, and 2 or 3 sky blue. Pawson, nice card for the A's. And Josiah Gray. Josiah Gray blue. No, nothing else has happened. Just the randoms. Brennan Davis for the Cubs. Marquez, Grant Levine. This is the first box of the first break. Nolan Gorman, Kelenic, JJ Bleday, Kyber Ruiz. Robert. Brian Mata. There he is. Julio. And Jason Dominguez. I guess I'm going to live or die with the Jason Dominguez, since Julio and Dominguez go together. Where he goes, I go. I wonder what the Julios are selling for. What's up, Jay? Ryan Mountcastle. Logan Gilbert, yellow to 75. Shea Langoliers. Here's a nice one. Bayron Lora, blue for the Rangers. That's a nice card. It's one of those fly under the radar guys. Never Korean baseball voters. Adley, Luis Garcia, Wander Franco. Nick Madrigal. So no Bobby Witt yet. What's up with that? Riley Green, Keone Cavaco. There's another Pawson. So 2 Pawson, so nice for the nice for Oakland. Look at that, 3 Pawson. Holy cow. It's like $150 in 3 paper base cards. Oh, there's our first Bobby Witt. Jordan Adams and Bobby Witt Jr. Nice card. $5. That's not bad for Julio base, I don't think. Not bad at all. Maybe I'll put them all in a lot. I doubt I'll get $5 for it for much longer. I don't know. Maybe. He's going to be pretty good. John Diaz, first Bowman. Another Bobby Witt. So 2 Bobby Witt, 3 Pawson, 1 Jason. Lewis Gill for the Yankees. All right, so that's the first box down. Just 1 Jason in the first box. I need more Adleys. Cody Hose. Shea Langoliers. Joe Ryan, first Bowman for the Rays. Christian Javier. Nick Madrigal. Grant Little. Here comes some color. Nate Pearson. Luis Garcia for the Phillies to 75. Clark Schmidt. Jackson Rutledge. Oscar Gonzalez for Cleveland. I think that's his second color. Oscar Gonzalez. I think that's his second color. Here's I think this one's a gold. Jordan Groshans. 1 of 50. eBay 1 of 1. Jordan Groshans for the Blue Jays. Hand shaming. Yeah, it's real, man. It's real. Nolan Jones. You know what used to drive me crazy is the people that would wear the headsets, the microphone headsets. Now, don't get me wrong. When I first started, I wore a microphone headset, okay? I get it. But what drove me crazy is the people that wore them and then they would be out of breath. And it's like Darth Vader was running your brake, bro. He's like, Bryce Harper. I was like, bro, go catch your breath, bro. Pawson. That drove me up a wall. Bryce Terang. Bryson Stott. They're already there. All the boxes are on the table. Groshans. Where's all the Jasons at? What the heck, man? Liberator. Lip smackers. You're giving complainants. A Jeremy Pena for the Astros. Oh, there's an orange. Let's hit a big name. What do you say? J.J. Bleday and Montero to 25 for the Cardinals. .5% said. Madrigal. You know what's funny is that in a year from now, the top 5 guys that you're looking for in this product are going to be different. You know, some of them might stay. But, you know, it always happens with every Bowman product. You know, the top guys you're looking for switch. You know, as different guys get hot. Pawson, that's like 5 for that guy. Luis Garcia, this is the other Luis Garcia. Luciano. Nova. CJ Abrams, Estevan Floro. There's another one. And another Julio. So good for me. I've got 2. Like I said, I live and die with the Dominguez. So you've got 2 Dominguez. Who's got the Yankees? I want to get you at least 3. What's up with that? Dr. Octagon. All right, well, you got 2, brother. That's not bad. Right, yeah. That's a good point. You wanted my... That's a really good point. Andrew Vaughn. Wander Franco. You know, in 2010 draft, there were 2 Sales. There was Josh Sale and then there was Chris Sale. And everybody wanted Josh Sale. His base auto was a $100 card, which was really big back then. Bobby Witt making a big splash. That's our best card, I think. I think that's better than a Jason base. I'm not sure. But a nice Bobby Witt color. And break 1. And look at this. Here's another Bobby Witt card just to rub it in. Spencer Howard, blue. And Bobby Witt. All right, so yeah, it was Bobby Witt and Pawson in this one. So you've got Bobby Witt, Spencer Howard, another Bobby Witt, Jason number 1, Garcia, Pawson number 1, Montero, Pena, Pawson number 2, Groshans, Gonzalez, the other Garcia, Ryan, Gill, Bobby Witt 3, right? Bobby Witt 4, Pawson 2, Pawson 3. Dominguez 2 and Pawson 4. I think 4. It might have been 5. I don't know. I lost count. I lost count a while ago. But, yeah. I'll take it. So, best card I think is the Bobby Witt Sky Blue. I could be wrong, though. So, it's funny, though. In the last 2 packs, you hit a Sky Blue Witt and a base Witt. Last 2 packs. So, you know, that card just... That spot just, you know, last 2 packs just blew up. I could have. It's certainly possible. I mean, if I did, it'll still show up in your cards. I mean, I won't say that it couldn't happen. You know? All right, saving your first video.